Hi everyone, today I am making this video for all farmers who want to do organic farming and want all information related to organic farming. So today the topic of our video is how certification is required for organic farming. We all know how organic farming is important, and by the time farmers have started adopting it. By the way, you all know what organic farming is, but still, let me tell you what organic farming is. Organic farming is a method of agriculture based on minimal use of synthesized fertilizer and synthesized pesticides, and which uses crop rotation, green manure, etc. to maintain the fertility of the land. Most of the farmers will already know how certification is required for organic farming and how it is obtained. But for those who don't know, for them watching this video is really very important. So today I will tell you through our video how organic farming requires certification. Your organic product will sell only when you have a certificate that your crop is truly organic and prepared in an organic manner. There is a process for its certification. In our country, you can get a certificate of organic farming in three ways. First one is Indian Organic Certificate. Second one is Participatory Guarantee System Certificates, in short PGS. Third one is Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana Certificate, that is PKVY certificate. I will not tell you here when it come when I will not tell you here when it came and when it was implemented. I will give you brief information about these three, how you can take their certificates and what is their websites. First First is Indian Organic Certificate. It is a paid certificate. For this, you will have to pay money and then you get this certificate. The government department that handles that is APEDA, Agricultural and Processed Food Products Development Authority, that is APEDA, APEDA. It comes under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The National Program for Organic Production (NPOP) works under APEDA. If you want to export your organic product, then taking this certificate is very important for you. All the products are exported. For this reason, its certificate charge is very expensive, which is between the 20,000 to 50,000, and that is only for 1 year. This is a very big amount or the budget for the farmer. This certificate is not given to you by the government, but the 28 companies selected by the government give you this certificate. So here is a PDF for 28 companies. We click here. This is a complete list of 29 companies. You can see clearly. Okay, now we close it, and also you can click, when we click here, the first link, you can write this link or you can see it by going to the official site of APEDA. Now what I do, click first one, then copy and go to the Google and paste here, enter. Wait a while. Network is slow. Okay, so here is the page. Now go to the search button, click here and write it here, companies list for certification, then search. Okay, now come to the this one, click here, okay, this is the list. You can see clearly all the 29 companies. You can click on any one to see what their charges are for giving a certificate. Like if we go to the click this one, so this is the list of this company, how much they pay for individual or whatever they are. Now come to the PDF, sorry, PPT. Okay, this, then you can go to any of the companies near you and take a form for a certificate, and they will give you the form. This is a normal. Here I will not tell you how to fill the form because this is a normal, but the one important thing in this is that you will be asked at one place that type of operation. This is type of operation. You have to fill it carefully, whether you are only farming, wild collection, beekeeping, livestock processing, storage or export and trader. Please fill it very carefully, because for each process it charged separately. So please, again I am telling you, please fill it carefully. So these are the list for the charges, कितना कितना ये charges लेते हैं. This is the for green cert and this is for IndoCert. I have a PDF of IndoCert. I will show you. Wait, I show you. Where is this one? Yes, this is the charge list of IndoCert company. You can see that there are different charges for everyone, for smallholder group, for individual farmer, but there is on big scale. Then estates for different charges, for organic mushroom production is also different charges. Then individual farmer, then food and feed manufacturing plus exporter plus importers also I have different. If you choose the individual farmer, what are the charges for that? Let's see. Look, preparations 4400 per day, then travel time for 4400 per day, then inspection plus report writing time also for 4400 per day, then certification is also 44 per day. So the total amount, the minimum charge will be 20,000. So in this way everyone has their own charge list. For IndoCert is different, for green cert is different, and so like this. So in this way you can get the certificate of Indian organic. Okay, now come to our on second part, that is participatory guarantee system certificate, that is PGS. You don't have to pay any money to get this certificate. It is a free certificate. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare gives this certificate. One thing you have to remember, for PGS and NPOP certificate is that before taking this certificate you must get Food Safety and Standards Authority of India certificate. I will tell you in the end what its process is for FSSAI. The PG certificate is not given to any one farmer, but it is mandatory for at least 5 farmers to have a union or a group, and every farmer must have at least some land name. Basically, this is a trust certificate. There are two ways to achieve this certificate. First, you make a group of yourself with other farmers, and second, you become part of a group already formed. For both, you will have to visit the PGS India official site. If we click this link, okay, you can write this second link. What we do, copy this link and open Google, then paste it here, enter. If you want to join any previously formed group, then click on local group. Okay, now select your state. Like I am from Haryana, then I select Haryana. Then select your district. So my district is Rewari. Okay, you can also put all this sub-district, block, village, then search. But I would say that first you search from the state and district, so that you will know whether any local group is in your state or not. So now click on search. Okay, only 2 groups here in Rewari. Then go to more details. You can go to the more details of whoever is near you. जो भी आपके नज़दीकी हो आप उस पर जाके क्लिक उसकी मोर डिटेल्स पे जा सकते हैं. लाइक देन क्लिक ऑन मोर डिटेल्स. आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू टॉक टू देन यू आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें आपको सभी जानकारियाँ दी गई हुई हैं. Like this group name is Jaivik Kranti. Then in which state? Haryana, district Rewari, block Khol and village Khol, and his leader name is Lakshman Singh, and his mobile is this, and all details of other farmers. Then आपको इनके लीडर से बात करनी है. After this you have to talk to their leader and tell them that I want to join your group. You add us, and then they will tell you the process ahead. So this is the process for the local group. Second process is for this you have to create your own group in which 5 farmers are required, and for this you will have to log in or create a new account. So go to the login. Now click on local group login. इफ़ आपका ऑलरेडी ग्रुप बना हुआ है तो आप लॉगिन कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज गो टू रजिस्टर एज अ न्यू ग्रुप. Then select your state. Like I am from Haryana, then click Haryana. Then select your scheme. You only have to select PKVY scheme. Then in what phase? We are on first phase. Then select council. Okay, इसके लिए आपको रीजनल काउंसिल पर जाना पड़ेगा. गो टू द रीजनल काउंसिल एंड क्लिक इट हियर. These are the total regional council 527, and these are the active regional councils. These are non-active regional council, and these are suspended by the government. So now you can, then you select your state. Like I am from Haryana. Then your status active, then search. Find out whoever is near you and go to the details. Like I click on Deputy Director Agriculture and FW Jhajjar, then get details. So here's the details: in which state, in which district, office city, then office address, then phone number, mobile number, email ID, and person name and his mobile number and his email ID. Then you can talk to them on their number and tell them that we are trying to do this, fill all. उसके बाद आपको देन उनसे बात करके आपको यहाँ पे आपका रीजनल काउंसिल फिल कर देना है. मैं रैंडमली कोई भी क्लिक कर रही हूँ. देन गो टू प्रोसीड. देन फिल ऑल दी डिटेल्स केयरफुली. group address, login details and all. Then submit. After this your account will be created. Okay, after creating your account, you will see an option of an add farmer. Click on it and fill all the farmers detail in it. You will have to update your all informations periodically in it, such as group meetings, group discussions, etc, etc. If you are a new group, then you will get PGS India green certificate for 3 years, and after complete of 3 years you will get PGS India organic certificate. So in this way you can get PGS certificate. Now come to the third one, last one, that is Parampragat Krishi Vikas Yojana certificate, that is PKVY certificate. You are given a sum of money to take this certificate. Its special thing is that in this you get 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees for getting organic certificate. In this you are given up to 1 lakh on 20 hectares within 3 years. Okay, and this Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI, this gives the certificate of Organic India. This certificate of Organic India was brought with the interpretation that 2 certificates already exist. Because of these two, the customer gets confused which one is better. So for that, combining these 2 certificates brought a certificate that is given by FSSAI. For this you do not need to do anything separately. There is no charge for taking FSSAI certificate. The certificate of Organic India is for food items only. So thanks for watching. Our group will make every effort to give you further information related to organic farming. If you like this video, then like, comment and share. Thank you.